Now we're going to take a look at that shoulder a little bit more. So let's go out to the side here. There we go. Now we're getting stuff. Okay.
Very difficult to go up.
That's it. That's good. So low, medium, or high?
Not very high.
Okay. Just compare it to the other side so we can see what normal should look like. Very good. Awesome. Good. You're going to do 2 sets of 20 to the right side. There's no magic here. It's just doing it. I want you to be comfortable. Let your head go where it wants to go.
Okay.
If you want to slouch a little bit, that's fine. If you want to kick a leg out, all I want you to do is be comfortable as you twist. You shouldn't be feeling it in other parts of your body. I mean, you're going to feel it because it's your body, but besides that, just do 20 reps. So we're going to recheck the left twist, which it went down to a 10. It wasn't a 20. Trying to get everything to 5 or less.
Wow.
Good. All right.
Yes. Wow.
All right. Good. All right. Good. Now let's do your arm raise.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?